Sunlight streams through the canopy, dappling the quiet park in shifting patterns of light and shadow. Far from the city's clamor, a tranquil oasis unfolds under the benevolent gaze of a towering oak. The air is still and filled with the scent of green leaves and damp earth, a peaceful escape. A secluded spot beneath the ancient tree promises solitude and respite. Here, the world fades away, leaving only the gentle rustling of leaves and the warm touch of sunlight. Soft light fills a quiet room, a haven of calm and peace. I find solace on a comfortable cushion, settling into the stillness. The room embraces me, a sanctuary free from distractions, a moment of serene escape, a pause in the rhythm of life. Sunlight warms open palms, hands resting gently, a picture of serenity. Fingers still, lines etched by time tell silent stories of a life lived fully. Relaxed and open, hands offer an unspoken invitation, a gesture of peace. In the quiet of the day, hands rest, a moment of calm amidst life's journey. The world fades as eyelids flutter softly, sealing out the chaos. A moment of serene darkness blankets the senses. All external distractions are banished in one gentle blink. Within the quiet darkness, a new world awakens. Tranquility descends as the eyes find their peaceful rest. Sunlight streams through sheer curtains, casting a peaceful glow in the quiet space. A serene atmosphere fills the room, promising a sanctuary of undisturbed calm. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. A voice echoes softly. The body gently settles, finding its place in the tranquil setting. Sit down gently or lie on your back. The narration continues, guiding towards relaxation. Complete relaxation washes over, inviting a sense of profound peace. A tight frame, focusing on the subtle flaring of nostrils as a deep breath fills the lungs. Each inhale is a silent, profound act of awareness, drawing the viewer into the intimacy of the moment. The breath, a primal rhythm, hints at an unseen world and untold stories. A single breath becomes a gateway, inviting us to explore the depths of sensation and emotion. The body's quiet symphony begins. An expectant silence hangs in the air, heavy and profound. The world fades, leaving only the gentle rhythm of breathing. Narration. VO. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Narration. VO. Then slowly exhale. This is your time to find peace within. A subtle visual effect begins to materialize, gently tracing the flow of air. The air shimmers, an ethereal connection forming around my body. Each breath becomes visible, a delicate dance of light and energy. The shimmering air links me to the underlying rhythm of existence. A profound sense of connection deepens with each visible breath. Sunlight filters softly through a sheer curtain, casting gentle shadows in the quiet meditation room. Dust motes dance in the golden light, creating a serene, ethereal atmosphere. A figure sits in peaceful meditation, their posture relaxed and centered. Begin by focusing on your breath. A voice narrates softly, guiding the meditation. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. The voice continues, calm and measured. Hold it gently for 2 seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Tension eases. The brow unfurls, a subtle shift in the landscape of the face. The forehead relaxes, a silent release of inner turmoil. A moment of calm washes over, smoothing the lines etched by worry. The face, once tight with apprehension, now softens in the light. Sunlight paints the meditation room, dust motes suspended in golden rays. A woman sits in serene stillness, eyes closed, hands resting gently. Now, gently bring your awareness to your body. The narration begins softly. Start from the top of your head and slowly move downward. Relax your forehead and soften your eyes. The voice guides, calm and reassuring. Peace settles over the room as the woman follows the guiding words. Shoulders tense, a silent battle fought within. A visible release as the weight of the world begins to lift. The body's language speaks of burdens shed, muscles relax, a moment of surrender to peace. Sunlight pierces the sheer curtains, illuminating dust motes in a silent, serene room. A lone figure sits in peaceful meditation, posture relaxed, breathing soft and even. The minimalist space is only adorned with a small potted plant and a simple cushion. Let your jaw loosen, a voice whispers, guiding the meditation. Allow your shoulders to drop away from your ears, releasing any tightness or strain. A wave of tranquility begins its subtle descent. The visual effect accentuates the flow. A sense of calm washes over, spine to soul. The flow intensifies. A cascade of serenity. Peace now anchors within. A serene calm fills the undefined space. An invitation to inner peace and reflection. Narration. VO. Move your attention to your chest, and your arms feel them grow lighter, softer, and completely relaxed. Narration. VO. Let this feeling of peace flow down your spine, into your hips, your thighs, your legs, and all the way to your toes. The atmosphere deepens, embracing a sense of profound tranquility and release. A vast, clear blue sky stretches endlessly, a canvas for the birth of thought. Clouds materialize, each a unique shape, drifting aimlessly as thoughts carried by a gentle breeze. Ethereal forms dance across the sky, symbols of consciousness taking shape. The ever-changing nature of ideas drifts on the wind, a dreamscape of the mind. Sunlight floods the meditation room, illuminating dust motes in the air. A lone figure sits in serene stillness, bathed in light. The room exudes a sense of calm, sparsely furnished. As you rest in this stillness, thoughts may appear in your mind. A voice whispers. Simply observe them like clouds drifting across a clear blue sky. The figure remains still, thoughts passing like clouds. A singular focus, the gentle rhythm of breath. Each inhale, a silent promise of renewal. Each exhale, a soft release of tension. The world fades, leaving only the essence of being. In this breath, a moment of perfect stillness. A soothing voice echoes, inviting tranquility and inner peace. Every time your thoughts wander, the voice gently instructs, guiding towards focus. A breath, the essence of life, becomes the anchor in the sea of thoughts. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. The voice continues, steady and calming. The invitation to presence, a call to anchor oneself in the now. Stay present, stay calm, the voice concludes, a mantra for serenity. A radiant, golden light materializes above, bathing everything in a warm, ethereal glow. The light gently descends, a cascade of shimmering particles. A soft, inviting warmth spreads as the golden light begins its descent. The light flows, enveloping me in its comforting embrace. An overwhelming sense of peace washes over as the golden light permeates. The golden light fully absorbed, leaving a serene, radiant afterglow. In the boundless darkness, a single point of golden light shimmers, a beacon of warmth and hope. The light gently pulsates, radiating a soothing energy that promises solace. Slowly, the golden light expands, enveloping the darkness with its comforting glow. Narration. VO. Now, imagine a warm golden light above your head. Narration. VO. It fills your heart with peace and comfort, spreading through your whole being. A soft, ethereal glow begins to emanate from within. The light intensifies, a beacon of warmth spreading gently. It is my heart, now radiant, brimming with newfound light, The subtle glow visualizes the light filling my heart. The light pulses, a silent promise of hope and renewal. Warm light bathes the recording booth, soundproofing panels hugging the walls, awaiting a voice. The microphone stands alone, a silent promise of words about to fill the space. Narration. VO. You are surrounded by this golden light, safe, loved, and deeply relaxed. Narration. 5. O. Each breath deepens this calmness, bringing balance to your mind and harmony to your soul. A sense of peace emanates from the empty booth, ready to capture and amplify tranquility. A calm, soothing voice fills the air, inviting tranquility. Narration. V.O. Take a deep breath in. Feel your heart expand. Narration. V.O. As you exhale, silently say, I am thankful. I am at peace. The voice lingers, resonating with a sense of gratitude and serenity. I slowly open my eyes, a serene calmness washing over me as the new day begins. A gentle smile graces my lips, reflecting the peace within. Sunlight streams into the bedroom. The world outside is silent. I feel refreshed,